Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about the Bajaj Dominar 400 performance review. The Bajaj Dominar 400 has gained significant attention since its launch due to its aggressive styling, powerful engine, and overall performance. In this review, we will delve into all aspects of this bike, focusing on its engine, handling, ride quality, design, and features. Let's start with the heart of the Bajaj Dominar 400, its engine. The Dominar 400 is powered by a 373.3cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox, delivering a power output of around 40 horsepower at 8,800 rpm and 35 Nm of torque at 6,500 rpm. This engine setup ensures that the bike offers a good balance between power and efficiency, making it perfect for both city commuting and long highway rides. The performance from the engine is robust and provides enough grunt for highway cruising, overtaking, and city traffic maneuvering. When it comes to acceleration, the Bajaj Dominar 400 does not disappoint. It can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 5.5 seconds, which is impressive for a bike in its category. Whether you're in a rush or just looking for that rush of adrenaline, the Dominar 400 delivers excellent performance. The smoothness and linear power delivery make it easy to control, even at high speeds. The bike also has a strong mid-range torque, making it an ideal choice for long-distance riders who need a bike that can sustain high speeds without putting a strain on the engine. Moving on to the handling of the Dominar 400, this bike is equipped with a twin-spar perimeter frame that gives it a stable and confident feel, whether you're riding on highways or tackling tight corners. The front features a 43mm telescopic fork with a monoshock at the rear, offering excellent suspension. The ride quality is comfortable, and the suspension soaks up bumps and rough patches quite well. This makes the Dominar 400 ideal for a variety of riding conditions, from smooth highways to more challenging terrains. The braking system on the Bajaj Dominar 400 is also worth mentioning. It is equipped with a 320mm disc brake at the front and a 230mm disc brake at the rear, along with a dual-channel ABS system. This setup ensures excellent stopping power, providing confidence when braking at high speeds or in tricky situations. The ABS system adds an extra layer of safety, preventing wheel lockups during sudden braking or wet conditions. As for the design, the Bajaj Dominar 400 has a bold and muscular look. The tank is large and robust, giving the bike an imposing stance. The full LED headlamp at the front adds to the bike's futuristic appeal, providing good visibility at night and adding a premium touch to its overall design. The angular lines and sharp edges on the bike make it stand out from the competition. The color options available for the Dominar 400, including the matte black, Aurora green, and the new Canyon red, give riders the option to choose a look that best suits their personality. Comfort is also a key factor in the Dominar 400. The bike features a wide and comfortable seat that provides good support for both the rider and the pillion. The riding posture is slightly aggressive but still comfortable for long-distance rides. The handlebar and footpegs are well positioned, ensuring that the rider does not feel fatigued even after riding for several hours. This makes the Dominar 400 an ideal bike for those who enjoy long-distance touring as well as city commuting. When it comes to features, the Bajaj Dominar 400 is equipped with a digital instrument cluster that displays all the necessary information, such as speed, trip meter, fuel consumption, gear position indicator, and more. The bike also comes with a slipper clutch, which helps in smooth downshifts and reduces the chances of rear-wheel lock-up during aggressive braking. The bike's LED lighting system is a standout feature, providing excellent visibility and adding to the overall aesthetics. The Dominar 400 is also equipped with a large 13-liter fuel tank, offering a decent range for long-distance riders. With an average fuel efficiency of around 25 to 30 km/h, you can expect a good range between fuel stops. The larger tank ensures that you can go on long rides without constantly worrying about refueling. Now, let's talk about the competition. The Bajaj Dominar 400 competes with bikes like the KTM 390 Duke, Honda CB300R, and the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. While each of these bikes has its own set of strengths, the Dominar 400 offers the best combination of performance, comfort, and features in its price range. It is a great option for riders who want a premium feel and strong performance without spending too much money. One of the key advantages of the Dominar 400 is its pricing. It is priced competitively in its segment, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The bike offers a premium feel and performance that is comparable to more expensive motorcycles, making it a great value for money option in the market. In terms of reliability, Bajaj has always been known for producing durable and low-maintenance bikes, and the Dominar 400 is no exception. The build quality is solid, and the bike is designed to handle the rigors of daily commuting as well as long-distance touring. Bajaj's service network is widespread, ensuring that owners can easily find service centers for maintenance and repairs. In conclusion, the Bajaj Dominar 400 is a fantastic motorcycle that offers an impressive combination of power, performance, design, and comfort. Whether you are looking for a bike to cruise the highways, tackle daily commutes, or embark on long-distance rides, the Dominar 400 has something to offer. With its powerful engine, smooth handling, and premium features, it's no wonder that the Dominar 400 is becoming a popular choice among riders looking for an all-rounder in the segment. Thank you for watching our performance review of the Bajaj Dominar 400. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.